60 Interesting Facts about Portugal. Portugal, officially the Portuguese Republic, is a country located mostly on the Iberian Peninsula in southwestern Europe. It has a total area of 92,090 square km. Lisbon is its capital and largest city. Portuguese is the official language of Portugal. Euro, is its official currency. Spain is its only land-bordering country. Part 2. Hope you see the previous part of the video. Let's get started. 31. Fado is Portugal's national music. It is characterized by mournful tunes and lyrics, often about the sea or the life of the poor. 32. The Portuguese are fatalists. They have deep faith in their destinies, which they believe cannot be escaped. 33. Café culture is also an important cultural feature of the Portuguese. 34. Portugal is best known for its distinctive late Gothic Manueline architecture. 35. Ar de Rock, by Rui Veloso, which was released in 1980, was the first popular Portuguese rock song. 36. After the Carnation Revolution in 1974, Portugal regained its freedom of speech. 37. More than 275,000 residents died in 1755 in an earthquake considered to be one of the biggest earthquakes that occurred in Lisbon. The earthquake was followed by a tsunami and devastating fires across the capital city. 38. The average age of first-time mothers in Portugal is 29.2 years. 39. Portugal had the biggest wave ever surfed. In 2011, Hawaiian Garrett McNamara set a world record by surfing a wave that was 90 feet high. 40. On May 31, 2010, same-sex marriage was legalized in Portugal. Thus, it became the sixth country in Europe to do so. 41. The Anglo-Portuguese alliance is the oldest alliance in the world that is still in force. Yeah, that's true. 42. The island of Madeira, often called the floating garden of the Atlantic, is in Portugal. 43. Christmas can be sunny and even warm in Portugal, as it receives more than 300 days of sunshine annually. 44. In 1761, Portugal became the first colonial power to abolish slavery, doing so almost 50 years before Britain, France, Spain or the United States. 45. A trip to Lisbon takes you through a wealth of books crammed on the beautifully tiled streets. Lisbon is a city of book lovers and even the oldest operating library in the world is found here. Bertrand Bookshop, located in Lisbon, Portugal, is the oldest operating bookshop. It has been in operation since 1732 and was officially documented in the Guinness Book of World Records in 2016. The Portuguese also discovered Brazil. Facts about famous Portuguese people. 46. Cristiano Ronaldo, world-famous footballer, was born in Santo Antonio, Portugal in 1985. No doubt, football is the most popular sport in the country. The footballer has played for big clubs including Real Madrid, Manchester United, Portugal, and Juventus. He is considered one of the top players along with Lionel Messi. He became the most expensive footballer in the world when he left Manchester United and was signed for €94 million in 2009 by Real Madrid. He has an impressive record of more than 700 goals. 47. Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese explorer, was the first European to reach India by sea. 48. The oldest director in the world, Manuel de Oliveira, who continued to make films until his death on April 2, 2015, was also Portuguese. He was 106 years old at the time of his death. 49. In 1998, José Saramago was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature. There are a total of 4 Nobel Prize winners from the country. The other 3 are Carlos Felipe Ximenes Bello, Peace 1996, José Ramos Horta, Peace 1996, and Antonio Caetano de Abreu Freire y Guzmanes, Physiology or Medicine, 1949. 50. Some pioneering Portuguese explorers include Henry the Navigator, Vasco da Gama and Álvares Cabral. The work of these explorers helped the country become a political, economic and military power during the 15th and 16th centuries. 51. The first documented balloon flight in Europe was by the Brazilian Portuguese priest Bartolomeu de Gusmão. On August 8, 1709, in Lisbon, Portugal. 52. Gil Vicente, considered the first Portuguese playwright, is also called the father of Portuguese theatre. 53. Maria João Pires is a notable pianist from the country. 54. It was originally known as Costa Nova do Padro, which means the new shore of the meadow. Costa Nova dates back to the 19th century. The current name of the town was founded in 1808 during the opening of the Aveiro Lagoon Barra that separates it from the old shore in São Jacinto Beach. The oceanfront village has the Atlantic Ocean on one side and lagoon on the other. Weatherboard cottages with vertical stripes are a constant reminder that Costa Nova was once a fishing village. The fishing market in this area is a must-visit for those who love seafood. Crabs, shrimps, goose barnacles, and whelks are sourced directly from the lagoon and prepared immediately on Cais dos Pescadores. 55. The crown jewel of the Minho Viana do Castelo is regarded by international magazines as the jewel of Costa Verde. It is also in the list of the most beautiful cities in northern Portugal and the coastline. Its strategic location next to the Lamar River gave it the name Viana da Foz do Lima. The town has since grown into a trading post of northern Europe. 56. Braga. The city of ancient origins, dubbed the European Youth Capital since 2012, Braga is a unique city that offers local treats in hidden gardens. The oldest city in the country was initially known as Bracara Augusta when it was also a Roman settlement. Its sophisticated buildings and streets packed with Baroque churches and squares reveal the city's long history of more than 2,000 years. A buzzing historical center keeps visitors hooked throughout the year with attractive events like the Holy Week and St. John festivals. 57. The elite's vacation spot Cascais. The name Cascais was derived from word cascal, shell, and appeared around the 7th and 8th centuries. A former fishing village was pronounced a royal summer resort by King D. Luís I. Today, it is a famous holiday destination for both Portuguese and foreigners. The beauty is in the Atlantic Ocean that lies on the city's feet. The landscape is dotted with sand dunes a Cresmina. 58. Matosinhos. The source of city's seafood, located a few kilometers off the center of Porto, is Matosinhos, where people come to dine and kick back. It has been for a long time the source of fish and other seafood. This is evident from the many seafood restaurants around. There is also one of the best beaches in Portugal with surf-friendly ocean waves throughout the year. 59. The medieval walled city Évora is an ancient city that is completely engulfed with medieval walls. This sets the museum city from others. The walls were constructed in the 14th century and are among the best maintained in the country. 60. Aveiro. A maritime city with water at Sol Aveiro sits on a lagoon with canals crisscrossing the cityscape. People navigate the city through artistic gondola-style boats referred to as malaceiros. The older section of Aveiro on the quayside features beautiful nouveau houses designed in pastel colors. One of the greatest attractions is a monastery known as Mosteiro de Jesus, whose royal background is apparent in the religious art found in the museum. Hope you like this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.